Ko ria rero niga bagwatani bokuligeria bokoreri bw'omwana omunyaruka wachingira rituke rigeme ya University ya Kisii asokwena na maigerio yokurenda nabo igugukinia ekerengo kyobocheno anene asa matukabo akero mutienyi ukwanekere kyo yokurige kerogo kyobo women rep ase county ya Kisii sketa kwambuka igakwanirane n'oboremeru ase chinka akwirira abanyaruka utigera gisukuru nchera na konyora marito amapema Marikito Dibon Asanya Orobotura Sinjira Yowikra
Haso koraga litukuliogo chengera Meneslo Hygiene imeyense ya Kenya kaunti ya Kisii litukulia lero nigo aborokiwa banyaruka kurochi skuru au baumerana ase University ya Kisii unijireyemo yokonyora amaigilio noboigo okwirenda muyega obagukurawa ne kiombe kia Kenya Girl Guide Association amuna babwatani
Jina naitwa Catherine Kukutu Amaya. Mimi ni Guide Commissioner wa Nyanza Region na Kisii County. Leo tuna furaha sana sababu tuko hapa Kisii University. Tuko na wasichana wengi kutoka Kisii nzima from different schools ambao wamekuja kusherehekea menstrual hygiene, siku ya wasichana ya kuona damu. Na reason as to why we have started this in a very big way, it's because in Kisii County we have menstrual poverty in most of the regions back in the villages.
And they were going to be blankets, bed sheets, so toicha. Tuigeria abana obusafi ekerebago on their special days.
Ensemo jende ekerenga kiabo nugukinia ekerengo kyobochenu uchesa abana banyaruka engana yabetege komukuna oyokuliye kerogo kyobo women rep me county ya Kisii skita kwamboka.
Skita kwamboka. Lero tindiga abune politician today ami as a mother and as a sponsor to this program. So rere toicha egere tokore kibanyoro go semibu na banyagitari baregaiga and all the stakeholders about kutumia sanitary pads.
Omurubire igani gobeire segetenene guchisumwa n'omunyaruka anene ase abange babo bagendete gwitira amakong ao nemichando kubatakana nobotaka bagendete konekigwa imase binyoro.
This program na chakire ndagete gukora every month if possible. Every school into tori wakora igasiria for konyore benefit. It's not a profit making process.
Na tungependa wasichana pale nje waweze kujitoa na waweze kuingia katika Kenya Girl Guide ili waweze kufunzwa zaidi juu ya maneno kama haya, because in Kenya Girl Guide tuna embrace msichana na tunamfunza jinsi mtoto anavyoendelea kukua, the change in society. That is the Kenya Girl Guide Association.
Eka no kumisana buna abana abaiseke abange ba community school atinga chapata kwa sanitary pads ekede baron their special days. Ekenege tokia beire documented amatuka mange, but there is no action that is being done. Ono chepnante ne inen kulie kero kya bangana igonta kete kogenda bakase obisio musies imokwanere torore ntota chaka Kenya yostra chakera nkaga which school chospi abana abaiseke ba sanitary pads free.
Omori yeskita ni garuo koboria gochia ase wizara ye gisemi inse yomoske migosio gamba gotinya oborindi ase chiskuru iligo Kenya ebikora byaborokiwa gusiria magima ayankorengana no muriro obete kugwatekari tukulie gorobo ase skuru yabaiseke ya utumishi.
Safety of school should be a guarantee. Ekiagere school abana dormitory mintota keri gutwara these cases kera chabere chikoba nande then egen toko saba Ministry of Education make sure that school ne compliant na mangana yoko abantu ko fight mo ro chibane to fire extinguishers kere sejidon so that kaya ntumune ke ya chakire abana buna Girl Guide scouts ngonyora bare mba kwegeribu how to cap those kind of situations.
Kuroiga ase University ya Kisii ile nkorokwa Dipon Asanya.